Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with the 2-liter turbo engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as wireless charging, OnStar navigation, 19-inch alloy wheels, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors. We're going to have storage and cup holder on the bottom, as well as in the bottom of the door you can access your rear liftgate controls and your seat memory. Speakers also equipped on the bottom. Up here we're going to have the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with the chrome accent handle, your Equinox badging, and your power adjustable driver's seat. The passenger is manual, but both heated leather, very comfortable. So, obviously we're going to have ventilation and lighting on the side here. Moving up onto the steering wheel on the left, we're going to have our cruise control settings. On the right side is our voice recognition and cluster control. And with the cluster control, you're just going to have your trip A, trip B, as well as your fuel information, oil life, and other vehicle information as well. It's going to have push to start. We're going to have our climate control with our heated seats, as well as up top we're going to have our infotainment system with built-in Bluetooth connectivity, OnStar and OnStar navigation, as well as extra apps, and My Chevrolet also included. Down below, we're going to have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt DC port, as well as a wireless charging pad. You're going to have your all-wheel drive and your trailer mode selector, as well as you're going to have the shifter there, cup holder, extra storage and the parking brake, and center console with 2 extra USB ports. Like I said, passenger side, manually adjustable, still heated, very comfortable. It's going to have the same door, of course. You're going to have that gold stitch and the chrome on the dash, speakers up top, as well as you can access your sunglass case holder, universal garage door opener, reading lamps, and of course your OnStar and your SOS. So you're gonna have these 19-inch alloy wheels. We're gonna have the chrome mirror cap with chrome badging and the paint match keyless entry door handles. You're also gonna have a chrome luggage rack right up top with deep tint rear glass. You're also gonna have a dual square tip exhaust as well. Also a hands-free liftgate. Coming to the back, lots of extra storage. We're going to have an extra 12-volt DC port and extra hooks as well. Wheel well storage below, and the seats do fold down for that maximum storage. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear, we're going to have the same style. We're going to have cup holder and storage on the bottom, equipped with the speakers. It's going to come up here to the power windows and the chrome accent handle. Let's hop in. Lots of extra leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat. We're going to have rear ventilation, rear USB ports with the 12-volt DC port, and an AC wall charger right at the bottom. Right at the center, cup holder and armrest, and lamps and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2018 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine, as well as OnStar navigation, heated leather seats, wireless charging, trailer tow package, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.